How to log in CVS Employee Online Account. Let's get right into the tutorial. In your device, open your preferred browser. In the search bar, search for MyHR CVS Employee Login and then tap on the first link there. You will see two tabs here, one for current CVS Health and Minute Clinic colleagues and the other for former CVS Health and former Minute Clinic colleagues. Firstly, let's see how to log in to current CVS Health and Minute Clinic colleagues. Tap on the Log On button there and now enter your username and password and then tap on Log On and you will be logged in. However, if you do not remember the password, then you can always go ahead and tap on the Reset Password option and reset your password. Now let's go back and see how to log in to former CVS Health and former Minute Clinic colleagues. Enter your user ID and then enter your password and tap on Log On. You will be logged in. Here too, if you forgot your user ID or password, you can easily recover it by tapping on Forgot User ID or Password. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.